Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the newly launched updates in iOS 18.7.1. So iOS 18.7.1 rolled out in early October 2025 and it's mainly a security and stability update. From the featured packed release, this build number is 22H31 and Apple says it fixes a serious vulnerabilities in the system. Front passer component basically it prevents certain files or website with corrupted fonts from crashing your apps or exposing your data. So even if it feels like a minor patch, it's an important one for keeping your phone secure. Now Apple is already focusing on iOS 26, the big next gen version, but not everyone wants to upgrade right away. That's why iOS 18.7.1 exists. It keeps the older branch protected from security issues. If you're someone who prefers stability over major new changes, this update gives you the peace of mind of being fully patched. If we talk about what's new, so there's nothing huge. You might notice smoother animation, slighter, better battery stability, and fewer random app crashes, especially in Safari, Messages, and Mail. Apple didn't include any visible new features, but under the hood, this version tightens security and improves performance consistency. So that is all about the iOS 18.7.1 newly released updates. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.